Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to sew Batwing top. You can call it baggy shirt as well. This is my main fabric and I removed its border. I will use it in neckline. I fold the fabric in a half and keep it in lengthwise. First take the total length. As I'm sewing this for 7 years old girl, so you can take your own measurement. Total length is 26 inches and its width is 18 inches. 1 or 2 times more than your usual shirt width is. You can make it small as a top or long as a shirt. It's up to you. I am making it long as a shirt. I take shirt tail width is 16 inches and now I am making a slanted guideline towards bottom to top. Like this way. Now I'm making a guideline for shoulder slope. Now remove it from the main fabric. It's very simple cutting. You can see that now it's time to cut the back side of a shirt. Back side and front side batwing shirt cutting is completed. Now it's time to make a neckline. I take this piece of fabric border, I fold it in a half and cut it from center. This border patch length is 12 inches including the seams allowance and the width is 6 inches including the seams allowance. Extra fabric I will remove. I'm going to open 4 inches from the center and remain part I will sew. After measurement I will sew it. You can see that I sewed it. Now take front part of batwing shirt and turn it towards wrong side in a half and cut 4 inches. Now keep the border patch on it which I already prepared. One thing keep in mind, take this border patch and put it here like wrong side is up and right side is down. Now sew it with the opening part of a shirt. Now I turn it towards the right side. Now it's time to sew the side seams and the bottom seams of this patch. It's a simple top stitch along with the edges. I sewed it, you can see that. Now I fold the shirt like this and it's time to cut the neckline. I am cutting round neckline. Its width is 2 inches and it is 1.2 inches deep. I have cut the neckline, you can see that. Now it's time to complete the neckline. For this I take 3 inches long straight strip. I fold it in half. Then I will attach it at the opening part of my neckline in order to apply button on that. I sewed it, you can see that. Now it's time to sew the shoulder seams. I sewed the shoulder seams as well. Now it's time to cut the back side neckline. Back side neckline width is as same as the front side, but deep is 1 inch. After that, I took 5 inches long slanted fabric strip and apply it on the round neckline edges. You can see that I have completed the neckline and applied 3 buttons as an embellishment. After that, I'm going to hem the shirt tail and the sleeves as well. It's just a top stitch on the edges. I hem it. It's now time to sew the side seams in order to complete it. You can see that I have completed. Now it's prepared and ready to wear. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.